Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can reset Wix website and start over, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we have a couple of websites, so let's go with this one. So I will click this one, select an edit site options. Once you come over here, then I will go to the setting here. As you can see, this is the dashboard, so I will go to this one setting, and then I will scroll down, and then actually I will find out an options here that call site settings. So let's find it out. This one, website settings. Just go over here. Once you come over here, then here you will find out a button called unpublish. So here you can easily unpublish your website, but we just want to reset the website. So how we can do it? We just need to be scroll down again, and here you will find out site history, so you can restore your version. So you just need to view and restore previous version of your site. Just click over here, restore version. Once you click over here, then it will give you all your revisions here, so you can go shift yourself from one to another one. It is the easiest way. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.